Alright, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can use the OBS studio to do your live streaming for your programs, your tutorials, also for your recording. Alright, let's jump into the OBS studio. You're going to click on your desktop, the OBS studio. For me, it's already running in the background, so I click on the start button, tax button, and highlight it, okay? Now this OBS interface, we have the scene here, we have the sources, we have the audio, we have the transition, the control panel. The first thing we do is to go to our settings and do a little setting to our OBS studio. Now this is the general tab. Normally you leave the general tab the way it is, don't touch this. Come to the output, okay? And you adjust your video bitrate and your audio bitrate. Normally leave your audio bitrate at 128. If your internet is very fast, okay, you have a fast system, alright, your system is very good, it's very fast, you can decide to increase your video bitrate to 1000, 2000, 1005, okay, or 4000. But I prefer mine to be at 912, okay, kilobyte per second, all right, so that my video will not be breaking or hanging. All right, be very sure you do that. Then your video encoder, if you are using a video capturing card in your system, you have to click this and select hardware. All right, but if you're not using a video capturing card, please make sure you change this to software X264. If you don't change this and you click on start streaming, your system will show you an error sign. So just come here and change this to software, right? S264. All right, now come down to recording parts. This is okay. This is where your videos will be stored in your system. Is all right. The recording quality is okay, high quality. The video encoder is here software, so this is okay. Then jump to the audio. Now the audio, we're going to come to our audio. Leave it this way. I'm going to select my microphone. Okay, my microphone. Okay, let's leave this. Leave this. We're going to come back to this later on. Just select apply and okay. Now, let's come to, this is the canvas where you do your work. Let's start with our audio and video, okay? We want to do a live streaming, so we'll come to our sources. Let us add our camera. The first thing we'll do is to add our camera. We click on the add sign, the plus sign, and we'll go to our video capturing device, okay? You select. You can rename it to camera, okay? I call it camera. Or you leave it that way. I said, okay. Now I'm going to select my camera. Now from my device, I'm using the Irion webcam, software on my phone. So I'm using the Irion webcam. So I'm selecting Irion webcam 1. This is with 1, and my camera will display here. Okay. It's supposed to display here. Let's wait for it. It's going to come, I'm sure. Okay, my network having an issue. Let me go back to my network and find out why it's having an issue. Let me look at this. Disconnect it. Then connect it back. Let me find out why. Okay, now it's showing. Good. Now this is my camera now. I said, okay. Now I've added my camera, but I need to add my audio. So I'll come here. I'm using an audio, a USB audio sound card. So I'm going to go to my audio and select audio input capture. Please, audio input capture. All right, I click on this and I can add, let me just write the USB. Sound card. You can decide to, leave it that way, or just name it. Okay, I like naming mine. Then I go and select the sound card. This is the microphone USB audio device. I select it. I say okay. Once I do that, can you see it's active? The sound is active, showing that sound is going into my OBS. All right, the next thing is to go to my Facebook and get my stream key. So I click on my Facebook, is here. It's already open here, so that I don't have to waste much time. Then I click on live video. Let's go live. Okay, I said go live. Okay. Then once I wait for it, then the next thing is I'm supposed to copy my stream key from here into my OBS. So, but the first thing to do is let's do this. Let us add our video and audio here. So just click on this retry. It automatically select it for you. Then click here. Select your webcam is Irion webcam. Okay. Then your audio is already selected for you by default. All right, now I'm going to go to my stream software and select my streaming key. This is my stream key. All right. Copy your stream key. Then go back to your OBS and go to settings so you can add your stream key. Then go to stream. Okay. This is where you're going to add your stream. This is the old stream key that was here. You're going to highlight it. Then right click and paste the one you copied. You understand? It's allow you delete to avoid confusion. Delete the first one and right click and paste the new one. Okay. Once you have done that, mind you, the service where you are streaming to is already highlighted Facebook. So it's showing I'm streaming to Facebook. If you are streaming to YouTube, you select YouTube or Twitch, Twitter. But I'm streaming to Facebook. So I'm going to now apply the streaming key. Apply. Okay. Now that means I've connected now my Facebook to my OBS. Whatever happens here reflects on my Facebook. So I can just click on start recording. Okay. Are you sure you want to start this stream? If I'm okay with what I've done, I'll say yes. All right. Now it's connected. It's allowed to connect. Now it's already connected. Okay. Now look at it. Say 1000 kbs. My bit rate is a little bit high. It's coming up gradually. All right. Now go back to my Facebook. Now I can say connect video source. Now it's showing you right here. If I play it, if I answer that it is already connected here, but it's not yet live. All right. So I'm going to complete the process here by completing my details. I come here. You know how to do this. Just give the video a name. Okay. I'm going to capture the name. I'll say, I'll just say test live stream. Test live stream. Or teletest live streaming. All right. If I'm okay with that, I'll just say save. Okay. Then, I'll go to the next one. What's the meaning there? There's something remaining here. Hold on. Let's go back to the posts. Let me use the same as the description. I'm saving this. Okay. Once I've done that, see it's complete. Now, next thing to go live, I click on go live. Okay. Then I come here. I'm supposed to start going live. Okay. I click go live. Now you can see that my video is going live. Now it's live. Okay. You can see that it's a little bit delayed here because it's coming from the OBS to this place. So when we wait for it, we'll take a few seconds for it to come here live. Right. If I click on play, now whatever is happening there is already happening here too. So when you go to OBS here, whatever you do here appears here. You can decide to switch to your studio mode, all right, so that you can use here to do your preview, do your work, and here is a transition. Whatever you do here, okay, will not reflect on Facebook until you send it into the program. Then you come. Assuming now I want to, let's say I want to add a title. I want to add a text. Okay, this is the text. All right, I want to add a text. And leave it. I just say I want to add. I call it title. It's good to title it. All right, I say okay. Then the title, I want to write Pastor Francis Kano. All right, you can change. You can select the font. You can change the font you want to do the changes. Okay. You can also okay. Let us leave it. Let's leave that font the way it is. Now this is, you can see it's very bold, very big. You can resize it, make it small. So this is the way I want to zoom in. So once I do the send transition, it will now go to the program, and it's expected to come into the OBS. Gradually, it's going to come into the OBS. Doesn't happen immediately. With the delay, video, the time within a few seconds before it comes into the Facebook live stream. You see, it has come here now. It took a few seconds. All right, that's how you can stream with your OBS studio. I'm sure I've helped. If you have any question, please just drop it at the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you. We'll see you next video.